Our story begins a very long time ago. It starts in the warm lands of Africa, millions of years in the past. Here, the first humans appeared on our planet. They were not like us today. They walked the earth in small groups, always moving from one place to another. These early people were nomads, which means they did not have a permanent home. Their world was vast and wild, full of great animals and endless plains. They followed the herds of animals they hunted. They also moved with the changing seasons, searching for plants and fruits to eat. Life was a constant journey, a search for food and safety in a world that was both beautiful and dangerous. These first people lived a life deeply connected to nature. They did not build houses or cities. Instead, they found shelter where they could. Caves were excellent homes, offering protection from the cold winds and rain. They also kept them safe from large predators, like saber-toothed cats or giant bears. When there were no caves, they might use large rock overhangs or build simple shelters from branches and leaves. Their lives were simple, focused on the needs of the day. Finding enough food to eat was their main concern. They had to understand the world around them, to know which plants were safe to eat and where to find fresh water. Historians have divided this long past into different ages. The first and longest period is called the prehistoric age. This is the time before writing was invented. We know about these people not from books, but from the things they left behind. We find their bones, their stone tools, and the art they painted on cave walls. These clues help us piece together the story of their lives. Later came the proto-historic age, a time when some cultures had writing but others did not. Finally, the historic age began, the time from which we have written records that tell us about our ancestors' lives, their wars, their kings, and their beliefs. The world of these early humans was very different from ours. There were no roads, no farms, and no supermarkets. Every day was a challenge for survival. They lived in small family groups or clans because working together made life easier. They could hunt larger animals together and protect each other from danger. The earth was their home in a very real way. They knew the stars in the sky and the tracks of animals on the ground. Their existence was a delicate balance with the natural world, a dance of survival that lasted for hundreds of thousands of years, shaping the very essence of what it means to be human.